Do you know that why you do not succeed in your planning? I am Natasha, and today I am going to tell you that how you can achieve your goal or how to succeed in your planning. But if you are new to my channel, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's start it. Actually, let me begin with a simple picture. Imagine trying to fill a jar with water using only a single drop at a time. At first, it might seem like a pointless task, too slow, too tedious. But if you keep dropping water into that jar every day, consistently and without fail, there will come a moment when that jar will overflow. And that is the beauty of consistency. It is not flashy. It is not dramatic. It's not the kind of thing that draws applause in the moment. But over time, it builds miracles. Consistency is the quiet force behind every great achievement. It's the reason why an average person can reach extraordinary goals. You see, success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. The true power of consistency is not in how hard you work once in a while, but in how steadily you show up every day, even when you don't feel like it, even when no one is watching, even when the results seem invisible. Now, what exactly is consistency? It's the act of showing up repeatedly. It's doing the right thing, not once, not twice, but over and over again. It's not about perfection. It's about persistence. It's not about being the best all the time. It's about doing your best every time. In today's fast-paced world, we are drawn to the loudest, the fastest, the biggest. But consistency reminds us that it is the small, repeated actions that shape our destiny. Think about this. Brushing your teeth once for 2 hours won't give you healthy teeth. But brushing for 2 minutes, twice a day, every day, that's what keeps your smile bright. It's the same principle in every area of life. Whether it's learning a skill, building a career, developing a relationship, or growing as a person, consistency is the foundation of all lasting success. Let's take a moment to reflect on why consistency is so powerful. First of all, it builds habits. Our lives are the sum total of our habits. What you do repeatedly becomes who you are. Every action you take is a vote for the person you want to become. If you consistently choose discipline over comfort, growth over stagnation, focus over distraction, you shape a powerful version of yourself. Secondly, consistency creates momentum. When you start something, it feels hard, like pushing a heavy boulder. But the more you push, the easier it becomes. And once that momentum builds, it carries you forward. Consistency also builds trust, both in others and in yourself. When people see that you show up, day after day, no matter what, they begin to respect and rely on you. And more importantly, you start believing in yourself. You develop confidence not from shouting affirmations in the mirror, but from proving to yourself that you can keep promises, even the small ones. Let me give you some real-life examples. Let's talk about learning a language. You could spend one weekend trying to cram an entire vocabulary list, but you'll forget most of it. On the other hand, if you spend just 15 minutes a day learning new words, practicing sentences and listening to native speakers, in a few months you'll be able to have real conversations. That's the power of consistent effort. Or consider someone who wants to get fit. If you go to the gym once a month and work out for hours, you won't see much change. But if you go 3 to 4 times a week, even for 30 minutes, your body transforms not because of the intensity, but because of the repetition. Or think of a writer. Great books aren't written in a weekend. They are written a little bit each day. 500 words here, 1,000 words there. That discipline, that regular rhythm, that's what leads to completion. Of course, we all know that staying consistent isn't easy. That's the real challenge. We start with excitement. We're motivated. We're full of energy. But then life happens. We get busy. We get tired. We lose motivation. And that's when many people give up. But here's the truth. Motivation is a spark. It gets you started. But it's consistency that keeps the fire burning. Don't wait for motivation. It won't always be there. Rely on discipline. Rely on habit. Rely on your why, the reason you started. Another challenge to consistency is perfectionism. We think if we can't do something perfectly, we shouldn't do it at all. That mindset kills progress. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be present. Show up, do what you can, and keep going. Also remember this: you won't see results right away. The most powerful results of consistency are invisible at first. It's like planting seeds. You water them, and for weeks, nothing seems to happen. But under the surface, roots are growing. And one day, that little plant breaks through the ground. That's how change works. Quiet, slow, steady, but unstoppable. So how do we stay consistent? How do we build this superpower into our lives? First, start small. Don't try to change everything overnight. Choose one small action and repeat it every day. If you want to write, start with 1 paragraph a day. If you want to exercise, start with 10 minutes. When the habit becomes part of you, you can expand. Second, make it part of your routine. Do it at the same time in the same way. Routines take the guesswork out. They turn actions into habits. Third, track your progress. Seeing how far you've come is powerful motivation. It reminds you that you're building something. It turns effort into visible progress. And finally, be kind to yourself. You will miss days. You will slip up. That's okay. Don't let one missed day turn into a missed week. Reset. Restart. Keep going. Let's also take a moment to compare consistency and intensity. Intensity is exciting. It's dramatic. It's that sudden burst of effort. But it's short-lived. Consistency is calm. It's quiet. It's the steady heartbeat that never stops. And in the long run, it's consistency that wins. Life is not a sprint. It's a marathon. It's not about how fast you go. It's about how far you're willing to keep going. If you look at every person who has achieved something meaningful, whether it's a successful entrepreneur, an Olympic athlete, a skilled artist, you'll find one common thread. They didn't just work hard. They worked consistently. They practiced when they didn't feel like it. They showed up on the hard days. They kept going when others quit. One of the most powerful concepts in personal growth is the compound effect. It means that small actions repeated over time create big results. Think of it like this. If you read 10 pages a day, in 1 year you've read over 3,600 pages. That's 12 or more books. If you save a little money each week, it adds up. If you improve by just 1% every day, by the end of the year you're 37 times better than when you started. That's the math of consistency. It compounds, it multiplies. It turns the ordinary into the extraordinary. But consistency is not just about productivity. It's also about character. Being consistently honest, consistently kind, consistently reliable. These are the traits that make great leaders, great friends, great human beings. People trust you not because of one grand gesture, but because you've shown them, time and again, who you are. That kind of trust, that kind of integrity is priceless. And it all comes from one thing: consistency. So my friends, if there's one message I want you to take with you today, it is this: success doesn't demand greatness. It demands consistency. You don't have to take giant steps every day. Just don't stop walking. You don't have to be perfect. Just don't quit. You are capable of more than you know, but only if you keep going. Choose one thing today, one action, one step, and do it. Then do it again tomorrow, and the next day, because in the end, it's not the intensity of your effort, but the consistency of your effort that changes your life. The glass overflows not from one big splash, but from 1,000 quiet drops. So start today, stay consistent, and watch your life transform, one drop at a time. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.